Here is a short video on how to replace key battery on Volkswagen Touareg 7P, 2011 to 2017, in 6 easy steps. Tools needed: a very thin and flat blade screwdriver. 1. Press the button with the Volkswagen logo on it to release that hook from the key. 2. Press the Volkswagen logo button again, and while holding it down, pull the hook hard to remove the key blade from the case. 3. Insert a sharp object inside the key and pull the clip down to release the metal part. 'If it does not release by pressing the clip from the inside, you will have to insert something sharp at the top and release the metal part from the key. Four. Remove the battery holder and replace the old battery with a new one. 5. Touareg 7P uses a CR2032 battery, which you can find it below in the video description. Five. Reinstall the battery holder in the key and put the metal part back. Six. Insert the key blade. If you have any suggestions about new videos, you can write us below in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.